हेलो फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज कृष्णानंद सिंह, योर कोच मेंटर। कई सारे रिक्वेस्ट आए आप लोग के और यू आर वेरी मच इंटरेस्टेड टू attend my classes, and what I promise you again, the next two class on 19th and 21 I'll be take care of these things in this classes that I'll tell you in the video what all, and that's absolutely free for everyone. Either you are doing it home preparation and you are doing a preparation by own, और आप कुछ प्लान कर रहे हो, सेल्फ स्टडी कर रहे हो, तो it's just there to boost your preparation, because I may not able to answer a couple of calls which you guys have made me, but I want to tell you here in this video what was there. क्यों आपने जो कॉल करा था, जो होगा क्या, कैसे कराओगे, क्या बताओगे, वो बताऊंगा मैं इस वीडियो में. Along with this, we'll discuss in this video about what should be the plans and strategy for the exams. And especially you guys are asking 30 days वाले क्लास में क्या हो रहा है, या 45 days so क्लास में क्या होगा. So here I'll tell you the one more nice announcement is 60 days class is already started. That's there, that's going on right now. So you can continue in that one if you want to start. We also started day before. So register now onwards for 60 days class, and immediately team will respond you. And जो आपका वो दो बैकअप क्लास है, those videos you will get in app. So सारे एक्सेस आपको मिल जाएंगे ऐप में, वो प्रीवियस वीडियो देख सकते हो, और रिवीजन में वो क्लास में हम आपको करवा देंगे. So what I am telling is, so the batches for the 60 days has been started. You can be a part of this batch that you can attend with us. Or if you want to attend that classes now onwards, immediately you give me a call on 99 number 9972046911. Team will register you. You can continue the classes. The previous two class which you are not able to attend, those will help you out. But many of you are interested in 30 days class or 15 days class. So 30 days classes from January onwards, last week of December, which is going to start. So these three batches we are starting in last week of December, first week of Jan, and second week of Jan. So any of the batch you can join and you can continue with us, because many of you want to start the classes in Jan. Moving forward in that 19th and 21, the two classes which is absolutely free, anyone can register and attend. उसमें क्या होने वाला है? So that particular class, I'll tell you what we are going to do is 19th. That means in that class we'll discuss together. We'll have a session. We think about it. जो हम planning कैसे करें, exercise करें कैसे करें as an individual. What is your plans for your exams? That is there in 19th class. And 21 class is the carry forward, so entire your session strategy. कई लोग कॉल कर रहे थे, पूछ रहे थे, अच्छा नहीं पूरे टाइमलाइन को कैसे मैं फ्रेम करूं, कैसे उस पे काम करूं, what will be the best for me. So we'll ensure you the what will be the best for you in the particular timeline, how you can practice it in that particular set of time. So that is there. Next video, in fact, you must watch, where I'll discuss about each topics and their divisions, marking. ये वाले वीडियो में मैं प्रॉपर वो क्लास का ही रखना चाह रहा था. And along with this, I would like to tell you the Meraki and Career Fest is on you. Make sure you register. Make sure you come for Maha Meraki Fest. Meraki Fest is the biggest fest this year on online, and that's platform you can get the info about all the courses and curriculum and the field which you want to go for. That's what we'll discuss. We are going to discuss. Many experts will come in this event, and you can be the one. You are just ahead, one step ahead from this, to just need to click and register and be a part of it. So that's it from this video. That's it from the today's session. Thank you so much for watching us. Thank you guys.